Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to Designertale if you are new. I am Anushree presenting to you our latest creation, the Unisex rubber flip-flop pair mock-up. We have provided a detailed presentation here of this stunning rubber sandals mock-up. This mock-up contains a single PSD file and it's compatible with Photoshop CC and its later versions. Now, extract the zip file and to open, double-click on the PSD file as shown. We have listed the smart object on top for fast editing. You do not have to search the whole file, just double-click on the smart object on the very top. A new window will open. Drag and drop the pattern of your choice and press Ctrl T to resize the pattern according to your need. Then press Ctrl S to save. You can now close the window. Then change the color of the straps by clicking on the color layers marked orange. And you're basically done. Now you can save this as .png to use it on any background. To do so, please turn off the group named BG at the bottom or save it as a JPG file. You can change the flip-flops into solid color only or gradient only if you want to use many variations of it. To do so, just follow my steps and press Ctrl S to save at the end. This mockup is practically a one-click operation, very easy and time-saving. Hope our guide have been useful for you. If so, please leave a comment below. Our mockups are available on Designertale.com and Creative Market. We are also adding them on many other platforms. For further queries, please email us on contact@designertale.com. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.